Hey man, pass me the cereal.
Dummy, grab it yourself.
I love me some salad.
Yo, bro, I pooped in your salad.
First thing I'm gonna do when I get back to Earth is eat more salad. But this time I'm gonna put it with Mountain Dew. Yummy. He's joking. Oh my god, there's blood! He's having his chest period!
I'm trying my best, bro, but he won't open.
Oh my god, that's blood! Oh no, he's on my cereal! Oh my god, that's blood! Oh my god, that's blood! How's it going, guys? I'm an alien. I killed your friend.
Yo, how dare you? You owe me money!
Ooh, food? I'm gonna run!
It's almost here. It's my favorite kind of pizza. There's a basketball team in my closet.
Basketball players aren't real. It's okay.
Neither are we. I'm so sweaty.
Hey man, you found out your head again.
Ah, oh my god. Hey girl, take a hit of this. Oh wow, is that herbal? What's going on? Is that a triathlon? At this hour?
Son, I want to introduce you to my artsy friends. You might not like them, they're a little weird. First of all, no son of mine will be caught dead wearing an anklet in 2020.
Dad, I don't want to be mean, but is your friend, Mitch McConnell?
Huh? Hey, bitch. So sorry I didn't let you know sooner, but I invited some of my other friends to our little soiree. Other friends? Yeah, oh my god, there's one now.
Hi, nice to meet you. Your child has your eyes.
Pretty boy, here I come. Make you wanna hurt something.
Hey, bro. What's up?
Wanna play Among Us?
Sounds like he's nervous to play.
No, I'll play. Hello, dude. Why are you breathing so hard into the mic?
Maybe he's an imposter.
No, I swear I'm not.
We know it's you. Stop lying.